In this objective question, from the given option, they are directing us to specify which one of the given option will be disturbed if the hypothalamus is injured. For this, let me understand in which way the hypothalamus works. Hypothalamus is very important for controlling the thermoregulation, sleep-wake cycle, vision, hungry, water balance, and stress balance of the body. So with this specification, we are choosing only option D is exactly matching with this question demand. Why we are avoiding option A? Why? Because short-term memory is because of the hippocampus, not because of hypothalamus. Why we are avoiding option B? Why? Because the locomotion is controlled by medulla oblongata. Why we are avoiding option C? Why? Because the decision making is controlled by the cerebral cortex of the cerebrum. So we are avoiding option A, B and C, and we are choosing option D as a correct answer. Why? Because the hypothalamus injury will deviate the body temperature so that the concerned individual can't maintain the body temperature. What are the specification we told? With this pictorial representation, we are giving us a recap to have a neat notes so that we can refer in any time for getting this information with better clarity. Numerous significant brain chemical are regulated by extremely intricate hypothalamus. Hypothalamus is in the charge of producing hormone. This region produces the hormone that control body temperature, hunger, thirsty, sleep pattern, mood, sex drive, and the release of other hormone into the body. Pituitary gland and other bodily gland are under the direction of this region of this brain. With this specification, we choose an option D as a correct answer after ignoring A, B and C to secure 4 marks.